Let's make some mini Böreks in air fryer. Listen to this. These are almost the same like Pakistani Keema Kachoris, just not deep fried. I've got 3 cups of plain all-purpose flour here. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, salt, milk. This is 1 egg. I have separated the yolk and the egg white. Egg white is gonna go in. We are gonna use the yolk later. Tablespoon of instant dry yeast. I remember somebody asked me which yeast I use, so this is the one. I buy it from LD. Mix everything and knead a firm dough with warm water. Cover the dough and let it rest for like 30 minutes or so until we make the filling. Take some oil in a pan, add the meat, keema. I'm using chicken. You can use lamb, beef, mutton, whatever you like. Now I'm gonna fry the keema until it's brown. This is how the keema looks once it's fried and there's no water left in it. Now I'm gonna add the vegetables. So I've got some chopped coriander, green onions, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. Just because I had some colorful peppers, it doesn't mean that you need them. You can just use green pepper. And I've got chopped tomato as well. So everything is gonna go in. Add some salt, paprika, coriander powder, black pepper, oregano, garlic. I'm gonna fry this on high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. This is ready, so I'm gonna set this aside and let it cool down. The dough has rested for 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on it and knead it a bit more to make it smooth. Now you need to divide the dough. I've taken 2 tablespoons of melted butter here. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Just mix this. Just some plain flour on your work surface. Take the dough. Now I'm gonna roll it out. So this is rolled out. Now I'm gonna set this aside and I will roll out all the other 3 dough portions as well. I've rolled out all of them. Now we have this butter and oil mixture. So I'm gonna cover this with the oil and butter. Spread it on the dough with the other layer of dough on it. Repeat the same step. Now once you've done this, let this rest for maybe 15 to 20 minutes because we have to stretch it out and it needs to rest. So I'm just gonna leave it here. The dough has rested. I'm gonna cover this with some butter and oil. So the oil and butter side down so it doesn't stick. Now we have to stretch it with our hands. So I'm just gonna put some more oil and butter here. Cover it. Now we have to stretch it as much as we can. Now I'm gonna put the remaining butter and oil here and I'm gonna cover the whole dough with it. Start rolling it in. Now you need to cut it into about 2 to 3 inch pieces and you can see the layers. Now take one of these and just press it down. So take a small bowl, place the dough in there. This is the beautiful filling that we made. Take some filling and put it in here. Just close it from all sides and flip it. There you go. Now I'm gonna place all of these in the air fryer. So here's the egg yolk. I've added some milk in it. I'm just gonna mix it. Now coat them with the egg yolk mixture. These are gonna go in the air fryer 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. This is how they look after 12 minutes. So I'm just gonna flip all of them. Now I'm gonna put these back in the air fryer 180 degrees Celsius for maybe about 10 more minutes until they're golden from this side as well. These are done from this side as well.